Have you ever wondered how videos like this are made using CapCut? In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this using CapCut app. Let's hop in. First of all, you open your CapCut app, click on new project, click on the video you want to add the overlay to. Then click on aspect ratio, change it to this 9:16. Then you click on overlay, then you add your overlay. Once you import your overlay, drag it, then you take it to the end of the video. Then you click on mask, this mask here. Then you click on this rectangular, then you change it to invert, then you drag it to this point. Again, click on adjust, go to round corner, place your round corner, and that's it. We are done. Follow for more.